Good morning, Texans. Today is Monday, August 31st, 2020, the last day of August. Can you believe it? And it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. And now we'll observe a moment of silent reflection. Today is a B day. Now, I know that's kind of weird. We're starting Monday with a B day, but Friday was an A day, and so we're just straight alternating these. And so today is a B day, so you will see periods 2, 4, 6, and 8. Also, today is an advisory day, so you will see advisory at 9:30 a.m. So you'll go to your advisory first, and then you'll go to your second period class. So advisory 2, 4, 6, and 8 today for your B day. And everybody who is interested, parents, students, whoever would like to hear the latest news from Dr. Warren, our superintendent, we're having a Northwest ISD Facebook Live tonight at 6 o'clock. And so be sure and tune into that. He likes to give you the latest news and updates on what is going on in the area, what's going on in all of the counties that our district serves, and how that impacts our school district, and what our return to learn looks like in terms of coming back to in-person learning, those who are staying with online learning, what some of that looks like. So you'll have a lot of good information for you. So I encourage you to tune in tonight on the Northwest ISD Facebook. We have Dr. Warren's Facebook Live update at 6 p.m. And those are all the announcements I have for you today. Texans, I hope you have a great day. I love you. I miss you. And I hope you make it a wonderful Monday.